Hi there, it's George here, and today I'm gonna start sowing seeds because I have old seeds collected and they getting old already. Not sure if they will germinate, but in today's video I'm gonna plant all of them. And starting with the telegraph plant or dancing plant, you know, in the past I made videos. Here we go, I have yet a few seeds and I hope they will germinate. They are here for a few years and I hope they are good. Next are the California poppies from California from a friend. His name is Todd. Well, I hope the seeds are still fresh. We'll see. The Mimosa pudica once I ordered it from eBay and there says 100 seeds. Some I planted, some germinated, but I lost them. So it's time for sowing them again, and I'm gonna sow all of them because they are old already. Not sure if they will germinate, but I will see. Also some peppers, like colored peppers, like California spruce and colored peppers. I will see what will germinate and I will make a video. So I hope it will germinate these seeds, but I have also lavender seeds. They expired already a month ago, but anyway, I hope still are good seeds, and I have to put them in the refrigerator to do a certification process for 1 month. Then we will see if they will germinate in springtime. Well, I'm gonna start sowing all these seeds. So now let's start sowing these seeds. Here the dancing plant, and I already added soil in all the pots which I need. And this is potting soil used from the garden. Also universal potting soil, also compost. That's it, I mix it all with it. And the soil from plants that dried, that's it. Let's sow the seeds here. I can easily press a little bit. Well, now waiting for germination. The next plant I'm gonna sow, it is California poppies, sent by Todd from California. And I hope still are good seeds, but we will see. But this I will not sow all. I also will sow this in the ground and will be nice in the garden, very beautiful. Next, it is Mimosa pudica. The seeds are old, and for this reason I'm gonna sow all the seeds. Hope at least 1 or 2 will germinate. Ready for Mimosa pudica too. Now let's sow the colorful peppers. We'll see if they will germinate. And the last one is California spruce. Hope still the seeds are fresh. Let's sow them. Well, now I'm ready to put some greenhouse effects to keep the soil moist, and now we wait for germination. And I hope they will germinate, especially the dancing plant, Mimosa pudica, and all of them anyway. And this California poppies as well. Well, we'll see. Well, my work was finished. They need more light. And I will put on the light and wait for germination, that's all. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.